Good morning, this is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of GST from purchase of goods from out of state. Means for example you are purchasing goods from other than Karnataka, means Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, any state. So how to pass the entry? Okay, so first I am going to explain the creation of GST on the basis of goods for the purchase of 3% items. So it's already I created MK company. The activation steps and all, we have to go to the F11 features, statutory in taxation, enable GST yes, set or alter GST detail yes. Here TIN number, TIN means tax identification number, it includes 5 digits, 29 5K 1234 A1 Z5. Okay, now you can give the PAN number, corporate identity number. Okay, now first I am creating the ledgers. So first for creation of ledgers we have to go to the accounts info, ledger, create central purchases at 3% under purchase accounts. Here applicable yes. Here we have to go to the interstate purchase taxable, means we are purchasing goods from other than Karnataka, so we have to give as interstate purchase taxable. Here I can give 3% goods. Now once you are giving purchasing goods from out of state, so definitely we have to give the IGST. IGST in the sense integrated goods and services tax. So we are purchasing, so we have to give as input IGST at 3% under duties and taxes, GST integrated 3%, normal rounding 1. Okay, now we have to give one party name. See, for example I am giving the party name itself is M company as a sundry creditor, means we are purchasing goods from this company, so you can give as company under sundry creditors. So here I have to give different state name other than Karnataka. I will give as Kerala. Now set or alter GST detail yes, you can give as regular. Okay, so 29 5K 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1 Z5. Okay, now here they are asking Kerala, so I have to give the Kerala code. 32 is the Kerala code. 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1 Z5. Okay, so I created 3 ledgers. Now we have to create the stock item which is related to the 3%. You can take it as gold and silver, so you can make it as gold ring, halsey gold. Should quantity of items to be added yes, so it is to be measured in grams, GMS, GRAMS. Applicable yes, on value taxable 3%. Next, gold chain, it is to become under gold, grams, applicable yes, here on value taxable 3%. Okay, now we have to pass the vouchers. So for passing of vouchers we have to go to the accounting voucher F9 for purchases. So first one you can take it as MMN company, central purchases at 3%. Here we can give as interstate purchase taxable, so gold chain. Gold ring, input IGST at 3%. Okay, now whatever ledger we have done, everything we can see the display day book. Here purchase ledger we have done. Okay, now if you want to see through the GST reports display, statutory reports GST R2. In the R2 B2B invoice, it will merge with local also, with out of state also. Okay, so for alteration and deletion I already explained in the last videos. If you want, you can just see the last videos. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.